Hey guys, what's going on? Street Trading coming at you with this week's weekly trade. Watch this video looking at an hourly chart here of SPY. Let's get into it. Obviously wrapping up the first month of 2022. We got the session on Monday, and then we're kicking off February till the the 4th on Friday. So let's get into it. Quite a pivotal week in the markets overall. Obviously, you see SPY swallowed 100, swallowed 200. Reversed at a key level. Obviously, demand back in October of 2021. The battle was in. You can see on a technical standpoint where the battle was. Bulls and Bears. We all know who won that battle, and pretty much saw the same thing this past week, right? Week and a half, really. Well, week. It's been bleeding out all month, actually. A lot of guys are taking some serious hits, and you know what? Interestingly enough, it's a month of significant losses for a lot of guys and girls that aren't understanding the concept of managing risk. Right? If you're wrong, get out. Don't hope and pray it turns around and get deeper in a hole. Right? Get out. Take the L and get out. Right? Wait. You've got to understand it's part of the business. You've got to understand how to take a loss and don't let it affect you mentally, right? Take the loss, move on, learn from it, and move on. Don't sit and dwell on it. We don't spotlight losses, guys. We learn from it and move on. We spotlight our wins, double down, and get better on our wins, right? This is a month of learning for a lot of people that, just keep buying all dips, which are great. But, when that isn't working, you can't expect it to turn around. Hopefully it's going to turn on before you get too far down and then you're done, right? So, understand that. Take this month's lesson for those of you that have been taking some pretty, decent sized hits. Take it as a lesson, learn from it, and don't let it happen again. On a technical standpoint, you're seeing, obviously, the market printed its lows and moving back up north. Let's put an asterisk there. As you can say, it should be a pretty interesting week. I'm not going to say a line in the sand, but, these new higher lows from the last part of the last couple sessions on last week need to hold, right? Need to hold. If it holds, then shit, you're going to have some nice moves to the upside, guys. But don't get it twisted. We haven't seen these levels in quite a while. Over a year plus, right? Year and a half, whatever it was. So understand, we're different territory. Different things are happening overall, not just on the street, outside, obviously Main Street, right? A lot of things are different. So it's not, comparing apples to apples, right? You got to understand, you can't compare what happened in October to what's happening today versus, what happened in 2020, right? So understand that, yeah, we're going to bounce and printed back-to-back higher lows, excuse us, on Thursday and Friday. So that's a good thing, right, for the Bulls. It's a good thing. It's holding. It's good. So if it continue to hold, guys, there's some nice opportunity for some nice solid risk to reward for the dips, right? So anyway, our game plan for the week, we got a mixed list. We got like 8, right? 8 or 9, whatever it is. So you know how we do it. We plot our highs and lows. We plot our game plan, or if this then that scenarios. We plot our entries, our exits. Everything's already planned. When these levels get triggered during pre-market, we get involved, put it on watch for the day session. If we're wrong on all of them, then we're wrong on all of them. Big deal. But we got a nice mix of, depending on obviously what we're going to see in the earlier part of the week. A lot of these things are going to unfold more times than not. So anyway, let's get into what we are looking at for the session, game planner, if this and that, all that good stuff. Let's go.